Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're taking a hands-on look at a practical item you'll probably find useful every single day. The Xelsluthe 4-piece 12 by 12-inch microfiber cloth set. It's marketed for cleaning everything from car interiors to delicate TV screens and eyeglasses. So, what do you actually get? How well does it work, and is it worth your money? Let's find out. Right out of the packaging, you're greeted with 4 gray microfiber towels, each measuring about 12 by 12 inches, or roughly 30 by 30 centimeters. The size is perfect, not too small that it feels like a handkerchief, but not so large that it becomes awkward to manage while cleaning. They're compact and lightweight, which also makes them easy to fold, store in a glove compartment, or throw in your laptop bag. Now, let's talk materials. These cloths are made entirely of microfiber, and you can feel the softness instantly. The weave is tight, and the texture is smooth without feeling slick. There's no lint, no rough edges, just a solid, high-quality finish. They're also machine washable and designed for reuse, making them more sustainable than single-use wipes or paper towels. That's already a plus in our book. But what about real-world use? We tested these cloths on a variety of surfaces. First, on a laptop screen with plenty of smudges and fingerprints. With just a few wipes, everything was spotless. No streaks, no residue, and best of all, no need for any cleaning spray. That's the benefit of quality microfiber. On eyeglasses, it did just as well, quickly lifting fingerprints without scratching the lenses. Even on a dusty TV screen, it was able to clean effectively in just a few passes. We also tried it on a car dashboard and windows, and once again, the results were impressive. It picked up dust, grime, and even some oily fingerprints with minimal effort. And when you're done, rinse it with water, hang it dry, and it's ready for next time. These cloths are not just absorbent, they're ultra-absorbent. They handle both dry dusting and wet cleaning equally well. One thing we really appreciate is their versatility. You can use these on camera lenses, computer monitors, musical instruments, glass tables, or even kitchen appliances. It's one of those multi-use products that just quietly becomes part of your routine. And because you get 4 in the pack, you can dedicate one to your car, another to your home electronics, one for your glasses, and keep the 4th as a backup. Now, let's be realistic. This is not a high-tech gadget or a flashy piece of gear. But in terms of utility, this microfiber cloth set punches way above its price tag. It's durable, reusable, portable, and effective. Everything you'd want in a cleaning cloth. And considering how often we're wiping down screens and lenses in today's tech-driven lives, it's actually a small investment that pays off quickly. So, here's the final verdict. If you're looking for a simple, reliable, and streak-free way to clean your most delicate and important surfaces, the Xelsluthe microfiber cloths absolutely deliver. They're affordable, they do the job, and they do it well. No frills, just function. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews just like this one. See you in the next video.